Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Casio G-Shock DW 9052. So as you can see right here, I am in my home screen, so where I have the time and date displayed. In case you are not in your home screen, what we want to do is to press the mode button until we arrive where we have the time and date displayed. In this position, what we want to do is to press the adjust button once. Once we are going to press it, we will be able to see that the seconds are flickering, flashing. This means that the first thing that we can set or reset to 0 are going to be the seconds. Now something really important is that if you press the start stop button between 1 and 29, the seconds are going to reset to 0, but no minute is going to be added. Now since I am between 30 and 59, if I press the start stop button, they are going to reset to 0, but a minute is also going to be added. If I press it now once again, they are going to reset to 0, but no minute is going to be added. Now, if I press the mode button, I'm going to toggle between the different options. And now we can adjust the hours. If I press the start stop button, I'm going to go forward. I can only go forward on this particular model. So if I press and hold, I'm going to speed scroll. So I'm going to move a lot faster. Let's say I want to make it 23. In case you want to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display, you can press the light button at any moment. And as you can see, now we have switched to the 12-hour display right now. And now I'm going to switch back to the 24-hour display. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and now I can adjust the minutes. Once again, I can only go forward. As you can see, if I press the top right button, it won't change anything. So I can go one by one, or press and hold once again in order to speed scroll. So I'm going to make it 30, just like that. If I press the light button, it doesn't matter whether I am setting the minutes or the hours, it is going to switch between the 12-hour display and the 24-hour display. I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I'm going to arrive at setting the year, the month, and the day of the month. So once again, I can only go forward, I cannot go backwards. So in case you passed your year, you need to go past 99, and then we are going to arrive once again at 2000, and then I'm going to go, let's say, once again to 2030, let's say, just like that. Now if I press the mode button once again, I can adjust the month. So let's make it January, and then let's make it the 1st of January. So I can press and hold the 1st of January 2030. In case I press the mode button once again, it is going to toggle from the beginning. So I'm going to cycle back from the beginning, and now I can reset the seconds, the hours, minutes, year, and so on. In order to finalize the process, I'm going to press the adjust button. Now something really important is that you cannot set individually the day of the week. If you set the year, the month, and the day of the month correctly, the G-Shock watch is going to calculate automatically the day of the week for you, since they have the entire calendar already memorized. So you can check now that the 1st of January 2030 is going to be on a Tuesday. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of this particular G-Shock model, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. You can also tell if your watch is fake or original, and I'm also going to post a full guide on how to replace the watch battery, so make sure to check them out. In case you enjoyed this video, guys, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. Also, make sure to check out our website, vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel, subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.